Hi and welcome to another unboxing. Today I unbox a package I got from Amazon again, and yeah, you will see in a second what's inside of it. So let me just open those tapes. So, not too much. It's a utility knife. In Germany they sell it as a Bessey brand, as you can see. In the United States there would be Sheffield on it. Yo, will do its job, and this is a pocket scale, it says. It measures up to 0.1, so a tenth of a gram. I'm going to need that for some things I plan to do. I'm pretty sure you will see it again in other videos. Yeah, okay, doesn't work. Oh, no batteries, okay, so no wonder. Back to the knife. It has a belt clip. It comes with extra plates. Isn't it great when that happens, that you record a film and suddenly your 16 gigabytes SD card is full. Anyway, in the meantime I got some batteries for the scale. Just put them in, and I just wanted to show that, or if it works. Open. Okay, oh nice, it's already running. Great. Put it on 0. There. As you can see. So that's great for showing things. Off again. Away with that. Back to the knife. Don't know what I said before, so I just repeat everything. It's a foldable utility knife. Back here is the lock to fold the knife and unfold it. Knife itself is really tight, so that's good. It has a lock for fast changing of the blades. And one last thing here, spare plates. It's 5 of them, so yeah, see, plates. So it's great. I got the knife including 6 plates altogether. Yeah, just if you might want to know, this scale was about 5 euros, so pretty cheap, probably China. Yeah, made in China. And this knife was 15 euros, but it's definitely worth the money. Yeah, so now finally that's it with this video. If you've liked it, then give me a thumbs up. Also subscribe to my channel so you will always be up to date if there are new videos, and there are definitely some more coming. I actually have about 24 projects on my hard drive needing to be edited. Yeah, and several other things that will come. So yeah, okay, that's it I think. So have a nice day. Bye.